In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Bambu Studio camera feed not working or you're having a black screen. Now, this is a very common problems on the Bambu Studio slicer. Basically, to fix this, it's extremely simple. In our case, we want to navigate through the device option, and basically you will be able to see your black screen right here if you have your printer connected. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have any printer available, so it will not show up right here. But in your case, the black screen will then appear onto this screen. To fix this, it's extremely simple. Basically, we have a lot of controls to navigate. If you click any one of these settings, it will not fix the problem. To finally start your camera, you then want to click on the play button. Basically, after clicking on it, it will then start your camera and it will then remove the black screen on the Bambu Studio slicer. From there, it will then start the camera and then you will be able to see the preview of your printer or your device. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.